So starting out planting stuff, I'm just using basically whatever I have. Because of the quarantine, I don't want to go out and look for stuff that I don't necessarily need right now. So everything I have will work fine. Here's Hoss playing with one of the cups. But it's nothing fancy yet, and I'm still doing a lot of trial and error and just learning as I go. So if y'all have any tips, let me know. And this part of the video, I am helping my cousin plant some stuff in the raised beds because she needs some help, and she helped me to plant stuff for my greenhouse. So that's what this portion of the video is. This is not my yard, this is my cousin's yard. And if you watch the video where we moved the greenhouse, this is where we moved it from. But this portion of the video, I'm just helping her, and I just thought I'd throw that in there.
Doubting you was enough to leave me chasing you on and on. But I don't care, I will let you in. You said goodbye like everything's gone. Everything that we could have been. But I know you are my liability.
So I got a lot of stuff accomplished in here today. The greenhouse itself, if I can talk, is still not completely done the way I want it. I want to put rock down here to be able to put some like big pots down here. But with quarantine and social distancing and every place being shut down, I can't get the rock right now. So that's why that's like that. And I decided I would just go ahead and plant some stuff. So I planted some cilantro in here. This is a milkweed, and it's supposed to be kind of, I think like a vine for butterflies. This is going to be cat grass because the cats think that this greenhouse is theirs. So I figured I would plant something for them to enjoy. And in this tray, there was a seed pack that was for a fairy garden. So I'm just kind of doing trial and error here to see if anything will even come up. But it's creeping time, pink baby's breath, pure slain, I don't know, sweet viola, sweet something, and German chamomile. These two are daisies, and these two are forget-me-nots. These four are cosmos, and all these are marigolds. This one up here is a marigold too. And then those three are lavender. And then I went a little crazy because I didn't have other seed yet, and then Heather found more of her seed, and all of these are morning glories. Excluding these right here. I don't have anything in them yet. But I planted a lot of morning glories because I'm wanting to get, can you see through here? Nope. My fence row back here. I'm wanting to get stuff planted all the way down it. That way it will fight out the weeds and grow something pretty instead of something I have to clean out all the time. So, but that's the progress so far. It's working out good. Got the walkway stained. Ran out of stain, but the rest of it don't really have to be stained. But I will keep y'all updated on the growth of these. I'm about to shut it up for the night because it's supposed to be pretty chilly, and we're supposed to maybe get some storms. So I still have to anchor it in the ground. I need help doing that. But I'm gonna shut it up for the night. Come to the greenhouse this morning, and look who's in here. He opened the door himself. Don't know what to do about that.
Whatever.
Oh, what a hopeless case we could be. Yeah. Oh, what a hopeless place that we're in. But I'm your liability.
Don't show your butthole to camera. Gross.
Oh, what a hopeless case we could be. Yeah. Oh, what a hopeless place that we're in.